Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer files using Bluetooth in Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! While you can easily send files between Apple devices using AirDrop, not everyone is brand exclusive and sometimes we require other solution. Bluetooth is one viable option when it comes to wirelessly transferring data between Mac and Android. So here's in the video, I will show you how to quickly and easily set up Bluetooth sharing on your MacBook. So it's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to turn on the Bluetooth. You can open your Bluetooth settings. And here, you can turn on your Bluetooth. After that, you can pair your MacBook's Bluetooth with the device that you want to send the file. Okay. Wait, we're still searching for the device. Okay, this one. You can just click on connect. So I can just pair with the code that the MacBook just sent you. Now you have connect with the Bluetooth device. Now you can just close this settings. You can open your launchpad. You can go to Bluetooth file exchange. And from here, you can just choose the files, photos or videos that you want to send to your phone or maybe to your another laptop or PC. Like for example, I will just choose this one. You can choose on the file and click on send. Choose the Bluetooth device. Click on send. Waiting for the device accept it. And it's done. It's very simple, right? That's for the photo. And what if you want to send like files or documents? You can just do the same thing. This, choose on the file, click on send, choose on the device and click on send. It's very simple, right? So that is how to send files using Bluetooth on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!